Ladies and gentlemen, we are installing our own fonts in our devices. Here, this website has thousands and tons of fonts you can download absolutely free. If not all, most of the fonts here are free to use for both personal and commercial uses. I will leave the link to this website in the description below. Please use the link in the description to get to this website here, then you can download as many fonts as you want freely. For me, I'll be going with this font here. Go to Download Family and save it in my download folder. It's downloaded already. I use this tiny arrow to open the download folder. Of course, you can open your own folder whichever way you want. I do not need the browser for now. It's a zip folder. I right click on the zip folder to open it, and you can of course double click to open the zip folder. And here is the font. The font in the zip folder cannot work except you extract it to another folder here. You can do that with this button, or you do it manually. You can extract manually by dragging the font itself and drop it somewhere else on your device. I can keep it on my desktop. I can as well keep it in a folder. I'll keep it in a folder. Now we do not need the zip folder anymore, and we do not need the download folder anymore. I open the folder where I extracted the font to. Then I have the font that can work for me now. I right click on the font. Then I click Install for all users. Install for all users will make it work on all applications on the device. And it is done. Let us confirm we have it on the device. I go to this search icon here and search for font settings. Here I have the font settings on the device. I open it. And here is the font. It's been installed successfully. In case you want to delete any other font you do not want, select that particular font you want to delete or uninstall. Then you see the button to uninstall it. It will ask you if you're sure you want to do this. Yes, I uninstall. So it has been removed. You can as well try to install your font manually. Target this box here and drag the font you extracted and drop in this box here. Please note, you cannot drop anywhere else on the page. It can only be in this box here. I drop it there and it's installing. It will show up here now. Done. I would like to preview it on a document now. You may please consider subscribing to this channel and also share this video. These are more videos for you. All these and many more videos are already in the description for you. Please check them out. It will be good if you subscribe to this channel and give this video a thumbs up. That is, you like this video. All these really do help me grow. And as I always do, thank you for watching.